How to connect Garmin to Samsung Health. So since Garmin to Samsung Health isn't officially supported yet, you can use a workaround. So link them with a third-party app. The third-party app we'll be using will be called HealthSync. Go ahead to your Play Store, App Store, search for HealthSync, and just install the app. But anyways, once you have that in mind, you can open it and then choose the Garmin option. So let's go ahead and press on OK, and then choose your Garmin, and then you can go ahead and sync configuration. So you can select one or more destination apps, and then Samsung Health as the destination. You're gonna have to grant all the permissions first when prompted so that the apps can share the fitness data. But then after setup, you can enable automatic syncing inside Health Sync or tap Sync Now to transfer your data immediately. You can open Samsung Health and wait a few minutes for your steps or workouts and other stats to appear, but keep in mind not all data types will sync perfectly and the app may require a one-time payment after the trial. But overall, it's one of the workarounds you can use if you want to go ahead and connect both together. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.